Hi guys, today for this part of the state mandated lab relationships and biodiversity, we're going to look at molecular evidence for relationships, and we're going to do that by completing test 4 and 5. Test 4 is about paper chromatography to separate plant pigments, and test 5 is the test for enzyme M. So to begin with, you need your table 8. We're going to be working with paper chromatography and the test for enzyme M. You also need a ruler, your plant extract, B, C, X, Y, and Z, a container and water, as well as your chromatography paper, which is inside your box. It's the filter paper. Okay, so let's start by taking our ruler to measure 1 centimeter of water inside the container. Okay, then the next step would be to take out your filter paper and we're going to measure 2 centimeters above the bottom. I'm just going to make a little mark in the center and draw a line across. And then I'm going to make right above the line a dot for where I'm going to drop my plant extract for BC, for X, for Y, and Z. Now, you want to make sure there's enough space between the dots so that when we drop our plant extract, that we don't mix them together. Also, you want to label BC above at the top so you know when the plant pigments separate which is first, second, third, and fourth. So BC, X, Y, and then I'm going to turn this one around and write Z. That's what it looks like. So first I'm going to drop BC, just 1 drop. If you put more than 1 drop, it's going to get mixed up and you won't get good results. That's 1 drop for X, 1 drop for Y. I was a little hasty there. And 1 drop for Z. So then I'm going to take my chromatography paper and place it inside the water and let the water rise about halfway. That's going to take about 10 minutes. So I'm going to put that to the side. When you're done with this, you want to take it out and place it on a paper towel to dry so that you can see the separation of plant pigments, and enter your information in table 8 under paper chromatography. The next step is going to test for enzyme M. So now you need your well tray, your tongue depressor or popsicle stick, your indicator, and your plant extract. So the first thing that you have to do is take your tongue depressor and place a small amount, but not too small, of the indicator in each well in the tray, labeled BC, X, Y, and Z. So you just need the 4. You don't need more than that. Then you're going to take your plant extract and you're going to drop 3 drops in each well tray for each plant extract. And you'll see, why isn't she dropping it? That's because I don't want to give away the answers. You're going to be doing that yourself. And then for Z, again, 3 drops for each plant extract in each labeled well tray. When you take a look to see if there's a chemical reaction for each plant extract, you're then going to take your information and tell me if there's a positive or negative test for enzyme M in this column. And then you're going to continue by answering the analysis questions in your packet.